Hi guys, what you see here is an old relic of a dental handpiece. This is a belt-driven Wells motor and handpiece, or actually the handpiece here is a Buffalo. Buffalo is also a very well named, respected company in the dental industry. But the belt is over there, and I'm going to put that on in just a little bit, and I'll demonstrate how to do that. The foot pedal to the machine is here. Which operates the pulley system. And this machine is definitely outdated with the advent of air and electric micromotors. This kind of went to the wayside, but it's still an awesome machine even today. If you buy one of those machines, you're never going to have to do anything really to it other than what I'm going to do today, and that's change the brushes. You're going to have to, of course, replace the belt here and there. But for polishing metals, guys, for grinding and finishing, this machine is totally awesome, even much more than a micro motor. So don't discount this because of its age or because of the look of it. It's really not even much louder than a micro motor. It is louder, but not much. This would have been the state-of-the-art piece of machinery 35 years ago. If you were going to get a really durable quality piece of dental laboratory handpiece motor, this is what you would definitely want to have. This has sealed ball bearings, which are maintenance free. You don't have to do anything to them at all. You don't even have to oil the motor. Never oil ball bearing motor, engine, arm, or handpiece. And there's the product number. Also has the brushes to be replaced here, the number, and I think I've got those here. Yeah, that's correct. So I want to show you guys this is a parts book, but here's the name of the company, and they're from Compchi, California. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. That is north of San Francisco. Here's a cool little map they've made here. But I wanted to demonstrate this because it is still relevant. If you want to, get one of these, you can definitely use it for jewelry or whatever you would want to use it for. It's a powerful machine, much more than a micro motor. If you're really bearing down on metals and grinding really hard metals, then this thing is not going to bog down. I mean, it's powerful, very powerful. So definitely something to look into if you're into this kind of stuff. So let me grab a screwdriver here and open the bottom of this up, get into the motor. Then I'll put the belt on, show you guys how to do that, and give a little demonstration on how it works. Okay, here's a look with the screws out. I've took the screw out of each side here, and you can access the motor now. The brush is inside here, so I'll need to unscrew that. I've already unscrewed the other side and saw that the brush was still in very good condition, so I may not have to replace these after all. Wow. Okay, so it's kind of spring loaded, so it pops out. I've got to find the screw top. But let's take a look at the brush here. And that's not bad, guys. Practically brand new. So I'm going to put it back, save the new brushes there, and put the belt on, guys. I was putting the back on the shroud here, and I wanted to find out how many horsepower the motor was. So I cleaned the specs off, and you can see the HP there. This is a 6 horsepower motor. It is a 13,000 RPM motor, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm sure that is all you'll ever need for anything you're going to be working on. All right, now it's time to put the belt on the machine. I'm going to start from the back. And the main drive pulley here, you can take this cover off, would make it easier, but I think I can get it on by leaving it, get the belt on, leaving it on. Okay, so I've got it on, just making sure that it's in position. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up to the next set of pulleys here on top. Put the belt on top of those. Let me get all this belt and pull it up forward. Okay, now the second set here, I'm just going to pull it to the top. 2 pulleys here. Still, it's going to be on top of them. Then I'm going to bring it down to the next set. I'm going to go underneath them. I'm going to pull it all the way to the handpiece and position it in the handpiece here. Now I'm going to go underneath this handpiece pulleys here, and that's the configuration for the belt. Okay, the next thing I want to do is tighten the belt, and I can do this by pulling the arm up and then with the thumb screw locking it in. So I'm going to pull it up about right there and lock it in. And now we can test it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Thank you for watching the video today, guys. I'm using a Wells belt-driven motor and handpiece. As you could see in the video, the motor was very capable of handling the metal with grinding, rubber wheeling, polishing. By the way, this is a non-precious chrome alloy, so it's very hard. And I think I was using around 8,000-9,000 RPMs. Definitely wasn't pushing it all the way. So yeah, very capable of using polishing metals, grinding metals, whatever you're probably going to be using. So again, thanks for watching, and till next time, guys, have a great day and week.